afternoon. Welcome to SM News Updates. News headlines. PM Modi to address Grand Final of Smart India Hackathon on August 1st. India records highest single-day spike of 55,000 COVID-19 cases. Total tally crosses 16 lakh. Health Ministry. Shah Watson regrets sledge that fired up Wahab Riaz in 2015 World Cup. News in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the grand final of Smart India Hackathon on Saturday. Video conferencing and also interact with students on the occasion. According to an official statement, the hackathon is a nationwide initiative to provide students with a platform to solve some of the pressing problems people face in daily lives and thus inculcate a culture of product innovation and a mindset of problem solving. With the highest single day spike of 55,000 COVID-19 cases reported in last 24 hours, India crossed 16 lakh mark on Friday, informed the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. India surpassed Italy and become the fifth country to have some highest death toll at 35,747 in the world. As per the Johns Hopkins University data, 779 fatalities due to coronavirus were recorded in last 24 hours in the country. Shah Watson, recalling of 2015 World Cup showdown he had with Wahab Riaz, said it had been silly of him to sledge the Pakistan bowler. He said he did not know that Riaz could bowl as fast after being fired up by his sledge that day. Answering questions from fans on his Instagram page, Watson said that duel was one of the most special moments in his career, but that it was not enjoyable at all for him at that time. Today's SM Special.
Today, we are introducing two luminous stars of St. Michael's HS Trivithanam, Nihara and Neo. Welcome you both to this interview. First of all, Nihara, for the past 6 months we are at home. So how did you spend your time in these days?
I am interested in papercraft, embroidery, glass painting and bottle art. In the leisure time, I am always engaged in these artworks. And also in the lockdown period, we the family members dig their fish pond as a first attempt in fish farming and put about 100 gift tilapias.
Thank you, Nihara. Now coming to Neo, you are now in 6th standard. What all achievements have you gained in scholastic and co-scholastic areas till now?
We got many scholarships and prizes. We mainly participate in quiz competitions, recitations, elocutions, etc. We are able to gain these achievements with God's grace and support and encouragement from parents and teachers. Thank you.
That's all we have in this section of SM News Updates. Thank you.